Whatever you got, put that shit up now. Put your phone light up, yeah. Put your phone light up. Let's go. In the words of a patriot, I often feared that the sins in my past would come back to haunt me. But the consequences are more than I can bear. I feel that shit. This piece right here is about what comes to fame and the struggle to keep family within pain. I give you this ring. Got me a top-notch, straight hot box. We saw rocks in the Ewok slot was caught. Got dropped to playing hopscotch on the block. Art not, plot, yo, my hop's not a broad dot. Help me remain sane. No gang gangs came from bang to a change man. No gang bang, refrain from gang bang. Slang our brain range, family fame, then gang bang.